Hey guys, it's Adam from Metro Hobbies here at Box Hill. Thought we'd give you a bit of a tour of the store today so you can see all the awesome stuff available here at the Box Hill store this school holidays. Let's check it out, shall we? Alright guys, so we'll start off with Row Life. So for the person who wants to build something that uses a bit of materials, wide variety of materials, woods, plastics, some fabrics and the like. These are fantastic and they come in a wide variety of different dioramas. You've got stuff like pot plants and the like to small rooms. As you can see here, there's some really quite awesome little designs. They are great for someone who wants to broaden their skill set and still have a fantastic little piece they can display on their desk. And next up we have Loz bricks. Now what are Loz bricks is what I get asked a lot of the time. Well, Loz bricks are scale building blocks used to make a very wide variety of different sets, and I mean a very wide variety. You have art pieces, you have flowers, you have cityscapes, you have ancient streets, you have dioramas, characters, food, I mean flowers of all kinds. They have a very, very large variety of different options. So something great for any builder, the budding enthusiast, to get into building blocks. They are fantastic and I think you would really enjoy building them these school holidays. And of course then we come to Lego, the building block that took the world by storm. Of course, I don't need to mention the variety. They have something for kids, adults, kid-dults, everyone who wants to build anything, you can find it in Lego. I would suggest something along the lines of the tiny plants. If you just want to get someone into building blocks, fantastic set. For someone who doesn't think they're into a hobby, it will convert them very quickly. Or maybe you weren't able to get to the Grand Prix this year in Melbourne. Why not take a step in a Mercedes AMG, pullback action, really quite awesome. Lego Technic is always a fan favorite. Speaking of Technic, we do also have a promotion, gift with purchase. Any purchase of Lego nets you a sweet little poly bag of Lego Technic. Really quite awesome. Now, say that you're not interested in building with plastic, paint, glue, etc, etc. Well, wood, you build with wood. It was terrible, I know. But what isn't terrible is U-gears. Now, U-gears are quite well known in the hobby world. The U in U-gears stands for Ukraine. These are all manufactured and designed in the Ukraine. And they have put so much detail into these rustic kits. They all have rubber band or spring-powered action, so they all have some sort of engineering quality to them, which is really quite cool. They look amazing, and shout out to the 2.5D puzzles. They look absolutely astonishing. And moving on to puzzles, we'll start off with wooden puzzles, something a little bit different. We've got two different brands here. Puzzle Master is a fantastic way to get into puzzles for kids or people who just want a bit more of an easy access to puzzles. You can build them in two different ways. They either come with a backing, which has an outline of each individual piece, or when you're ready for a challenge, just do it straight on the coffee table. So it really gives you options there. If you're after something a bit more premium in your wooden puzzles, you've got Twig. Twig is just absolutely gorgeous. These puzzles are amazing. The art design on them is just phenomenal. And as you can see behind me, each puzzle piece is a piece of art in its own right. And you'll find the same with the Puzzle Master, that both of these really go above and beyond when it comes to what you would expect from your average puzzle. Cavallini with their iconic cylindrical designs are really quite awesome, and they have a large range of different arts. Or if you're after something that's a bit more educational, you've got stuff like botany, the human body, etc, etc. Really quite fun and educational. Going down, we have the New Yorker range. The New Yorker puzzles are a cult classic. Really, really iconic designs you'll find on the classic New Yorker front pages. Really quite awesome sets there. And if you're after some really cool art, Workshop have you covered. These are puzzles that are quite the sleeper hit, but rapidly growing in popularity. Really cool designs on these. The artists you'll find all on the back, so if you're after more of their sort of art, you can look them up on Google, check them out, and see what other designs you can get in the Workshop puzzles. On top of that, they do snack size puzzles. These are really, really good if you want to take a puzzle away, do a couple of pieces, oh, you need to move on, just put it back in the resealable bag and off you go, put it in the back of you, take it to the picnic area, and you're good to go. What is really cool about these puzzles is, unlike micro puzzles, if you're not a puzzle veteran and the tiny little pieces just do your head in, these are all normal sized pieces. So really good for kids or the elderly who might have a bit of trouble with the arthritis and the like. Really good to fit that crowd. And continuing on in our escapade into the artistic world, Magnolia puzzles are just the bee's knees when it comes to puzzles with epic designs. They are so cool, so different, abstract, unique. I could use a million different adjectives and it would only be scratching the surface. But the best parts about these puzzles is they are a lovely matte finish. They have no false fits, so every piece goes where it is supposed to go. On top of that, they have a very easy to read star level in terms of difficulty. So if you want someone for the average puzzler, perfect. If you want something for the beginner, go for a 1 star. And on top of all that, they do them in micro style as well. So if you're after a little budget puzzle or you really want to challenge your dexterity, then they are a great way to go. Now for the hobbyist who doesn't like the idea of painting their kits, no shame in that, that's me as well. But we have all the Bandai stuff you can imagine. We'll start off with everyone's fan favorite, Pokemon. Various different Pokemon in various different styles. Really good for the kids. These are all snap together, no glue required. A lot of them don't even require tools. And it would be remiss of me to not mention the newly released Squirtle. Really quite adorable. And because Squirtle is now out, we have the original 3 starters, including Pikachu if you want to make it 4 starters. Now heading through master grade, high grade, 30-minute sisters, 30-minute missions, figure eye standard. Everything you want in terms of Bandai stuff, for any skill level, for any level of time that you may or may not have, you can find here at Metro Hobbies Box Hill. And if we keep walking down here, there's a really cool surprise going past all our awesome real grades straight down here. Brand new to the store for the school holidays, premium Bandai items. These are very, very limited. We will not have these for very long at all. Get in and get them fast. I know I'll be picking some up because they are epic. You have them in special coatings, clear colors, rare kits that you won't find in any other grade, exclusive to premium Bandai. So come and check it out before they are gone. Now in cars, Australian cars in particular, DDA has released their new line of Fords. These are Fords from back in the 1970s. Really quite cool, but I won't get into too much detail because Max will be doing an awesome video coming soon to our socials. Keep an eye out for it. And maybe you're into motorbikes. 12 scale motorbikes are absolutely fantastic for someone who may not be able to ride anymore, wants to relive the glory days of past motorcycles. Well, you have a huge range here. You've got Tamiya stuff. They do Hondas, Suzuki's, Yamaha, everything you need in a motorcycle you can find it, except that it's not rideable. But still, I digress. Really quite cool. Fireblades, Roadsters, Ducatis, everything is here at Metro Hobbies. And of course, they have a limited range in 6 scale or Hondas, the old CB750F from way back in the 80s, the Africa Twin if you like your sports adventures, and the Humble Monkey from way back when. And on this side we have the classic 35th scale tanks, all the armor that you can imagine. For starters, we'll go with Tamiya. These kits have been in production since the 1970s and before, so they are tried and tested. You'll find a wide variety of different armors from different eras all throughout the history of the Humble tank. Now heading down a bit further, awesome brands include Tacom, Academy do some really good stuff with Australian markings, so really quite cool there. Classic Airfix from way back in the day, and one that I like to point out is ICM. ICM do some weird and wonderful stuff that many other brands have never even considered doing. And of course, there's still more going down further and further. Just brands and brands for days, tanks, different armor, all that fun stuff, all found here at Metro Hobbies. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are really quite awesome. Bandai do dinosaurs, and so do Tamiya. If you're after dinosaurs where you can see the skeleton as it would appear if you had dug it up, Bandai have you covered in that, as well as being able to build the skin on the outside as if it was still around in this modern era. But if you're after something that you glue together and paint, Tamiya have you covered there. Of course, every dinosaur from every different period throughout dinosaur history you can find here in various different brands. And then there's sci-fi kits. Sci-fi ranging from Lost in Space, Space 1999, Star Wars, Star Trek, all the awesome sci-fi adventures that you grew up with can be found in model kit form here at Metro Hobbies. And finally, we have aircraft. Aircraft through all the history of aviation and mankind. We have 32nd scale here, and if we keep counting down, we have a bunch in 48 scale, a fan favorite. On the opposite side, you'll find 72nd scale, but every aeroplane that has ever been made you can find in scale, size, by various different brands, all very high quality kits ranging from molds way back in the 60s all the way to now. There's always something new coming out in the aviation scale world. And of course, school holiday fun would not be complete without introductory starter sets for the kids who just want to give the hobby a try. Airfix do a huge range of different starter sets in cars, tanks, planes, all the good stuff that you'll find in larger and more intricate scales at a much more child-friendly option. And the bonus, they come with paints, paintbrushes, glue, everything you need out of the box, which is fantastic. And of course, paints, glues, tools, all the backbone of the arsenal of any good hobbyist, and there is a huge variety here at Metro Hobbies Box Hill. And Warhammer is always a standard when it comes to tabletop. And if you're just getting started in it over the school holidays, 40K has your back with the Ultimate Starter Set, the Standard Starter Set, and the Introductory Starter Set, as well as painting starter sets for if you want to sharpen your artistic skills, as well as a huge variety of different other kits. You have the Old World, which is brand new in Warhammer, harkens back to the days when I used to play back in Fantasy Battle, Age of Sigmar as well, and if I may point out one of my personal favorites that has just come in, the Kroot Hunting Pack, brand new in store for the greater good. I always love the Tau in 40K, and the Kroot are very unique in the Warhammer 40K universe, so pick one of that up for the greater good. And of course, then we come to RC, the most action-packed of all the hobbies. Great for the outdoors, something good for the indoors, and a wild variety, whether you want to burn rubber or spin a prop. There is something for you here at Metro Hobbies for the expert, for the intermediate, or for the beginner in planes, cars, boats, all here. Come and check out what we got. And that about wraps up our tour here at the Metro Hobbies Box Hill store, guys. Thank you for joining me today. You see anything you like or you have any questions, come in the store, Metro Hobbies Box Hill, and we hope you have a lovely school holidays and make it a Metro Hobbies sort of school holidays. We'll catch you soon, guys.